I want you guys to see this real quick clip of him. Isaac's the only person I've seen that brings an actual weed eater with him on the field. Clears him a good little spot out. You don't realize how big of a difference that makes. I've started doing it myself just because now when he lands, it doesn't mess with his props. It's a lot easier, a lot clearer over to get to. And so it just takes just a few seconds to make you a good, clean prep site and refill site. And now he's set to go. I'll go to the top, do divide field, add, there you go.
See, it's not, it said cut path invalid.
It's in what?
Cut path invalid.
Cut path invalid. Well, that's field, the field's already divided.
No, this is the bean field we're in there.
Okay. Did you just map this out?
No.
Okay. All right. Tell you what. Okay, drop it. Wait. Go back. Drop an anchor point. Hit divide field. Zoom in where you want to put your first point.
Yeah.
Hit divide field.
Did I do it past the boundary or either?
Put it right on the boundary. Hit divide field. This might work. Go up a little bit.
Yeah.
Now hit divide field again, or actually zoom up, zoom out. So you can get a good.
Yeah.
All right. Now hit add. Well, no. Like down here. So you can drag it yourself and manually override it. Yes, sir. There you go. Now drag it. Now drag that point. Grab that point. Tap on it. And then drag it.
I got you.
There you go. All right, so what you just saw, us throwing that smoke out, is we were testing the direction of the wind, kind of the strength of it. I use an air meter as well. This is a must-have for you to really take care of your clients in a good way. This is on Amazon. It's like
ready to be filled
20 bucks, 30 bucks.
What? Oh, turn it on. Yeah, and fill it up.
Wind, 4.2, 5, 6. This lets us adjust our micron size. This lets us adjust whatever we need to. So it tells us which direction it's coming out of.
Yeah.
And that, or the smoke showed us. This will tell us, but the smoke also will tell us. The smoke, you're going to find a lot of your older farmers and the people that have done this a lot longer than us will do that. We'll use meters now. One of my trucks actually has a wind station on it. So he's going to fill that drone up. We're going to get them in the air. This is 105 acres. So we're doing 105 acres of max ice out here. And we are going to, we've already divided the field. That's one of the things about swarming a lot of people have not talked about. You don't have just one controller in swarm. You don't just have one, you just don't have one controller in swarm, you have multiple. And so it's imperative when you're swarming, you are set down or at least standing with your controllers there where you need to be, so you can always be in control, because earlier had I not been watching, we would have had a near miss. But one little trick I'll tell you on the drones, if I'm swarming, I'll have all of them have about a 10 to a 15 foot height difference on the return home. So I'll have one coming in at 15 feet, one coming in at 25 and 30, one coming in at 40. So that way they're all going to miss each other some way, somehow, just in the case they all three get back at the same time. So they're going to send this one up in the air here in a second. We'll get the other one going too. And this 105 acres, it didn't take us long at all. All right, we'll grab this one. So you can muscle man it and open the gravity by yourself and carry it out there. We can all do it. It's just gonna kill your back after a while. I'm not that big, I'm like 6'1", 230. I can carry it pretty easy, but if you have helpers, use it. Save your back, always. So anyway, got our apprentice rider out here with us today on chemicals. He's part of their family, and I'm sure he's gonna be the one that's gonna inherit to do all this stuff. So we're teaching him well. Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Southern Drone Ops. I wanted to say thank you to Isaac again. Him and his family have been great to us. They have always let us come out and film. We've learned so much together. They hired me to consult with them. I was stoked about it. They're one of the bigger farm families in Northeast Arkansas. Jonathan Driver, they've been great as letting me come out too. There's another farmer I wish would let me come out, Jeff. We are just about finishing up here. Did 105 acres. And after that, I think, are y'all done for the day?
I think so.
All right. Isaac went to ASU. He's taught before agronomy and all the agriculture stuff like that. So whenever I have questions, he's one of my go-to guys that I remember. If you ever hear me say, wait, let me call one of my guys that really knows this better than I do, he's probably one of three that I'll call. So anyway, guys, like I said, I've got the XAGs, I've got the T50s, I've got the T60s, I've got T60Xs, ABZs, whichever you need, call us and we'll get you taken care of. You want to talk to any of our clients, they'll be happy to talk to you and let them know how we took care of them. Thanks guys, y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, thanks sir.